for phone na wako YouTube na wadale Nhyira TV and na say we search for Nhyira TV na fe we subscribe anytime bia your video bia be ready na teseja we so wetimi do comment e dia ba na ya kenkan e dia ma and na dia mpato ye be kenkan mo comment ye pa ye wi afe ye bia huma no dia mamo afi mu nyina ba bia nyame ni abeduo wonso ni Nhyira TV no wadi nkoma kakra na wa cheche bro nya na de wom dia so ma na fisi apa no wi sampa wo ho and dia so ye momo bia na se oye bibi no no na tese timi aye afi mu nyina so dia maye kwa na person obo mabaso mintiri minti abaso bode eno so akwanya da ho na yetimi apape e de awura mu kaba afi yendi djuma kakwa na mama say from the main top 5 European leagues na no aye me part of French League and afi Premier League no ye German Bundesliga and oko Italy no Serie A and afi Spain no and some aye La Liga nkomo kakra na yetimi di awocho no so na temi pa ade abakuni with him say over the top 5 since you in the league obia also kwada humidiem obia also kwete na do net me bana empempe ya ka say the over the top 5 ukọ La Liga Barcelona na lead league table no ho ana for ukọ Premier League ya Arsenal boboko no ukọ Bundesliga enum Bayern Munich boboko na for Serie A enum Inter Milan na waba benya French Liga no enu ya RCD Lons boboko enti amisa yate for the first time 5 years ni Baba call Christmas and your PSG na edin kan and so a league table no so no so enkomo kakra ne no mame ko German Bundesliga na Hurricane reporter if you brand na katidi by say siso no so breaking records out do na Arjen Robben one a former player at the Bayern Munich boboko no yesi uko team ma players already 100 goals 100 goals contribution at we use matches ketwa adiasa contribution no and Arjen Robben na ne dia no 100 goals and 190 matches and odinya 100 goals contribution but Hurricane here was a mua and ya de so bedu 78 matches and odia make 100 goals contribution and I branch the general Hurricane report if you branch na kate at the ebani and ankwa and tramu eboy no utimi so mu pa adwuma ye pa ama ade sa branch the dead stand sit enya goal ise enya ne dia sana dia se enya ne dia Hurricane 90+2 ana tese chairman eye adwuma ni nyina and no da Bayern Munich boko no wo hwe adwuma wo mu edia na tese no so awasure pa no wo ane hedanium en koma kakwa etotwa awo dwuma de so hwe ma game ba ko pa ba so e menso 5 wo mu simple eno ye dia eto edwana mbato Abi Leipzig boko no etena fie ma by no fall over course ekoto mo ebo mo ntramiensa ama tese mo so etimu ba ko abrante ne de party 6 enya go ane adesa abrante ne dinenso de ecovert ebo ne de ama tena enso de ba ko eka wonti sabebepe anantena no enso ekoye na yade se omu table no sei ana nkomositi abaye no boboko no medical ka se omu na LED 41 points ne krom Borussia Dortmund 32 points omu tosu mi no miensa by no fall over course omu 29 points ansana waba benya RB Leipzig boboko no omu so 29 points Matoti Edi Hofian 27 omu tosu num ana NCIS 2 card boboko no enter for the etoso and so and wanti Union Berlin fe enkono nanso team anidin ade Fabek ubenya Veda Bremena womo atosu edu ba ko de FC Cologne fe dumie no Borussia Mönchengladbach mbato Hamburger SV atosu 13-14 Wolfsburg bobo code 15 on the league log na Augsburg and Sana woba benya the 16th eno St Paul mpato hade na bobo kono 1864 womo rianesa ana fe menso 5 enso atosu dunwatwe eno reporter ja etotwa ewdumade so anana pedo ye kete kakra ede tambo na mame nko La Liga na meni nkoma kakra mbato ba ya Barcelona ya adwuma no Barca for say omoko Christmas enti omo de Villarreal head Christmas no 2 goals no womo so ede amama no da mepato Lame Yama as usual ana Hafinha wono so nya goal enti 2 goals na niam ya kama Madrid and so ade so mo bom de before then no Atletico Madrid but on tena miensa no mo boy resolution koke enya go Kono Gallagher enya ne de ana fe Griezmann enso enya ne de editor team and Gennady Juruna entrami enso mo so wo se Madrid enso ebo entrami no abrante ne de Mbappe ana fe Football ya mamo ana bo goals na de ma Real Madrid and Pato Sevilla wo mo so entiment isia de league log no Barcelona e wo 46 points wo mo LED wanya Madrid wo no 42 points me Pato Atletico Madrid etos mensa wo mo 37 points and 35 points no akwa de ma via we bobo kono eno so nkoma kakwa ne na Italian Serie A no eno da matches total no SS Lazio omo ati criminals wo mo game na 0-0 afa Juve ati AS Roma abon ntena me no mo timu ba ko the big game aye Fiorentina bobo kono Tunisia Calcio wo mo bom ntena num ama Diniti ati bu ba ko ansa na Genoa Pato wo mo so ene Atalanta game no Atalanta ebo matena ba ko mentimate amasi se Inter 33 points no Chrome AC Milan 32 points otosu me no wa ba be Napoli ono 31 points ansa na Roma atosu 9 enum ye Juve bobo kono emom teams every wato ho ekobase ye mobie Haras Voroja wo kwa ne sa ana fe Pisa kwa ne sa na Fiorentina de avide homo esere se abna winim se 10 points pe no mo wo mo no mutu etwato no Fiorentina bobo kono enkoba kakwa etwato odumade so ne na Premier League ne big game aba so anso aye team ne team adi Newcastle St James Park na enkrofo ati atwas na early minute na tetra enkrofo edi onombe gamna ye koba ne esi da bia me ne anya dia Manchester United for ba se se bronya ye kwadi enkrofo bia he ane emi ye ne atutu ana tese ba na wurade nyankopon free kick bia James boss who players papa who so he ane e boys de yira ntina mienu na tese Chelsea atete ama dia na kwako ye tutu ana eja akonfo hene eno enso ye kanse Erling Haaland ono so chi West Ham United ntina miensa ana omede mo no kwa Bobres ana Tijani Reinders ede ba ko eka ho na Tottenham Hotspur enso ye hwehwe ni msanka eja ombe he na nkomedi djuma omoti ya ne se Liverpool ama mo ntina mienu ama mo sweat matemu ba ko Arsenal bobo ko ne ti Everton abana tere ba ko no sweat mate Victor Jokeres ana teso onya go ne elho the maxman ana afe okọ Aston Villa wo mo su bontire mi no ama Manchester United ze ka na dim players do na ko da Matheus Cunha ate ba ko edmom one player pe Brendan Rodgers wono na nya santre ni nyina ade ma aya team manager ade Aston Villa ntino ene reporter eba ewodumadi so na na league ni moda he me bajo muntio league ni say na table ni esitie wo he league log ne dia emu ye de pa na Arsenal bobo ko no wo mu na LED the Premier League table no Arsenal dinkai atimi se bibia ye kama e de emomo na 39 points ni kromo after 17 matches City wo wo mu tosu mi no wo mu 37 points and Aston Villa tosu mi ensa wo mu 36 points Chelsea atosu 9 ye wo 29 points and for Liverpool 29 points o motoso enum ensia aye Sunderland bobo kono wo mo 27 points and for Manchester United yenianom atoso so Crystal Palace atoso enkron enwatwe rather enkron aye Brighton and for edu aye Everton edu bako aye Newcastle Brentford toso dumieno and dumia say Tottenham Hotspur FC Bournemouth atoso duna Fulham bobo kono atoso dunum dunsia aye Leeds United and for Northern Forest atoso dunso Omo winie West Ham United Burnley and voluntary wonders bobo quality we yankoma kakra so a few Premier League nim edi eba e wodumade so na no pe no ye de honkoma kakra enso edi eda na ne amiti ayese abrante ne de Alexander Isak kwabra wakwakopra na Isak yi ube Liverpool yi wo mu nse de hu so mfato yi 120 hwan ane de wato aba ye de to wa oba kwabra ko eba ya na nso wanya de avie kwati ya yeso we yase fractal na omosi ne ana omewu scan na nkasa na the way niamasi kwande Sir Alexander Isak amase kimdia Liverpool new option bia this January on players to player be no beto omse wo mati Manchester United Manchester City nkomo on abrancha de Antoine Semenyo and he said omoso many be January 65 million pounds no betua say release clause no de enye sika bi and from Liverpool bobo ko mbekọ akoto na fe wo manya Antoine Semenyo na waba be boatu na niam so atimi akoye ade mama na uko Premier League nima the last 10 matches at my team and dinadi Aston Villa masa win galon kwa na enkrofo uhe djuma maya so me dey enkrofo bebro na uhe mpa the last 10 matches omonso abono womuti Maccabi Tel Aviv ebo montina mi no womuti team and dinadi Birmingham's Bournemouth womusen Leeds United omusen no womuti Young Boys eto omuso mo yankodampa eto of dioma sam de momo womuti Brighton dioma sam de momo womuti Arsenal etete omo FC Barca omo esomo West Ham United omo de omo Hanam e de omo se and to say this is in the enema nyina and so ekoye e de Aston Villa na ja omo de Manchester United and so e de atrocity ene yankoma etotwa Premier League man opay ye ketire e de amount
okay quickly ye for Premier League man na yanko Morocco na ye Andra and 2025 African Cup of Nations shall say Morocco and Montana so na Andra Rabat na enye isekura Morocco for ebo adwuma na before say member game na kasa so no de tense ma me CAF president ye first Patrice Motsepe na Motsepe akasa pa on self na shall say na according to CAF president was say ye fa to obi anim say the last time ye bought African Cup of Nations na prize money ye kasa prize money wa wo be African Cup of Nations e de si una so no na $7 million say omo de $3 million at the account it is say AFCON ye boy no wa wo be gino ubenya $10 million and no I CAF president ye first Patrice Motsepe and this handsome to Ghana wo de yentie a CAF president efa so announce prize money at the 2025 African Cup of Nations.
We took a very important decision today, and I need to brief you on those decisions. Let me start with the easy one. We've increased the prize money from $7 million to $10 million. So the nation that wins, the country that wins, will get $10 million. We increased it. Initially, it was less than 5, and we took it to 7. So if you win, you'll get $10 million.
Okay, we at the Confederation of African Football CAF. Woman President Francis Patrice Motsepe and I'm take President in Kase or Kasano. Now I know Patrice Motsepe say Yanfantu Obi and say AFCON Yeboino. Once since AFCON Echansiano, Yabon every 2 years. Name according to CAF President, woman then Sakaya Abba AFCON. Now and Sakaya Abani Nana say Yami Atom. Now Yabo 2025 AFCON Morocco. Next edition of AFCON. Yabo Tanzania, Uganda, and from say Kenya 2027. Now Yabo 2027 AFCON we almost say woman the new competition and yaba now African Nations League ebashas year 2028. The men say can say all 54 countries are more Africa and about near can say African Nations League and sana free 2032 econo every 4 years. Yabo African Cup of Nations and also no CAF President Patrice Motsepe Ekasai.
AFCON now will now take place once every 4 years, because historically the AFCON was the prime focus where we could get resources to fund African football. In terms of this new dispensation, we will be getting resources every year. I think part of the progress is to make sure that the fixtures, the calendar, the football calendar in the world is significantly more synchronized, is significantly more in harmony, is in the interest of
okay, CAF President of France Patrice Motsepe and I'm take Papa Nkasa or Kasana or say CAF for away said the 10 year can say international fixtures and afi the say FIFA SC Omonomano Bibia for Africa for and I'm taking a decision say African Cup of Nations say AFCON you born every 4 years and no I CAF President your first Patrice Motsepe and this handsome atuja now my friend to him say under opening game about so Morocco no the say I was study Mulai Prince Abdallah and a sang game about so El Rabat now yenya the Atlas Lions of Morocco woman and a host nation under El Fie almost 2 Emma Comoros minor woman entimante na under Comoros one chance AFCON no woman ama mediagro Christ and the first half no woman in Morocco for the pampe unim say first half and Abrantia je first Sofiane Rahimi ekonya penalty nemom penalty eba ama Morocco no Sofiane Rahimi ekobato twene nemom second half yakoba anchakura am say best 10 minutes later and a player no sinaka Edma Tima je from say Real Madrid defense Brahim Diaz a shot first goal Edma Morocco and watch and Olympiacos Abrantia first Ayub El Kabi about second goal Edma Morocco. Now Ayub El Kabi goal Wunya Bishaya. Say what Shadia Pa. Hey, I'll crash a goal. Now the way I must Pajab on the cheek and I heard goal post now. Do you see ball bicycle kick? You know, and for Comoros goalkeeper and I went to my ocean. A chess boy and money more as well in Pantiandra. Morocco mine El Fear. Womisha 2 Emma Comoros. Wom Entimante. Now when you say Morocco mine, Womako 34 matches El Fear. Wom Ensubi. The last time Morocco ever official game. El Fear Omulusiano. Now I 14th of November 2009. That's 16 years ago. And a Cameroon minor a question more World Cup qualifies. Oh Morocco assassin. So now just said the last 34 games there. Morocco minor is Omobo Fiana Mahmoudeno. I was so penano penny. I don't them. I'm a telephone I was shown so. Now when you say Andra before the game ever Sassiano, you say Hashraf Hakimi 2025 was the best player of Africa. Now before the game ever Sassiano, I ran to first Hashraf Hakimi Ade, the trophy ever start Mulai Abdallah, ever chess supporters and say Ampa, say Uber Africa, one and a best player to say Uber Inshal TV, ever YouTuber, the Uche Air Brantia, Jafesa Hashraf Hakimi, and I want introducing the trophy at their chair supporters of Morocco and Anopeno. Yaran Sampina ever telephone I shown so. Now stand the Prince Abdallah, the tennis FA Nipa 69,500. Unim say Andra, Yanya Nipa 60,180. Not as a criminals and attenders, a fool, El Study Prince Abdallah, El Morocco and Anopeno. Yaran Sampina ever telephone I shown so. Now you game now I Real Madrid, whom I'm not telling Fanny Brahim Diaz, one NJ near attackers and man of the match. Eddie Essine now so now just about Juma Pa. Now unim say in the history of AFCON, who can play some first game and I said near attackers opening game. Oh AFCON, one first goal since the year 2000. The test of 2000 the late Mark Vivian Foy one in the first goal at Cameroon 2002 AFCON. George Weah at Liberia and which 2004 Yebenya Ziad Jaziri was at Tunisia 2006 middle at Egypt 2008 Asamoah Gyan and a first goal AFCON at Ghana and which 2010 Flavio as first goal at Angola 2012 Javier Babua as first goal at Equatorial Guinea 2013 Emmanuel Ajimabadu as first goal at Ghana 2015 Emilio Insui as first goal at Equatorial Guinea 2017 Pierre-Emile Aubameyang and a first goal at AFCON at Gabon and what 2019 I have not first at Trezeguet one and a first goal at Egypt after 2021 Gustavo Sangari as first goal at Burkina Faso 2023 Sekou Fofana one and a first goal at La Côte d'Ivoire and after 2025 Brahim Diaz one also as first goal at Morocco opening game and Anopeno Yara will Sampina Emma telephone El shown so now when you say Andra before kickoff Yenya dear friends say opening ceremony now opening ceremony now Papa now David one French Montana woman ever perform you do not ensure to name the test David any French Montana agent perform Emma Bibia Kama Emma AFCON Andra Esasi O Morocco now Ayub El Kabi Andra one and a second goal animal Morocco minor now the test of a third player in the history of AFCON Yebo opening game of free bench now what say go the test 2010 or Angola Yebenya Seydou Keita and Mustafa Yatabari when we say 2 goals at Mamaliti Andra around first Ayub El Kabi one also about third player make us say no one also I say go first game and I say opening game oh AFCON now per hour free bench aba you don't say pina ebe telephone na el show so na yenim say na no Saturday and Real Madrid wom game eba so El Santiago Bernabeu na Madrid SL2 ema Sevilla team no wom entimante game na eba so no around first Hendrik one mobi na also one abehade yi Hendrik Najina ni na Richard Wanwakwaro Emma 2 eno mo se guni kom na be me na didi kakrama na Hendrik Najina ni ti Emma 2 ena wuni anu mo boss ro aje game no mo bi oni anije a waje ne press na wo mo se go el page na so gram se ni je kra omunya eno ay Hendrik kakra fi na se be na no pay no yere won sem Emma telefone na el show no so na Arsenal akọ Hill Texas Stadium akọ ya adwuma ne kamane nim se wo mo game a mo bo edit Everton mo be din of course emu aya di Arsenal awene 1-0 editia Everton ye pro game no Gary Neville akasa na according to Gary Neville was say ye fanti obi anim say ohebo Arsenal ebona Arsenal e good position na ogidi ye pass ye do January eko February eko March na anya de Arsenal drop points na Arsenal betima twimbe 5 to 6 points we gidi pass Arsenal momentum we no obi a entimi som Arsenal and abeje Premier League e dey say now so you take Gary Neville.
City are dangerous. They've got Haaland and they've got Pep Guardiola, who are someone very special on the pitch and someone very special obviously on the bench, and that is the biggest threat to Arsenal, other than them getting injuries to say Declan Rice or a couple of other players. But Arsenal, I think I wouldn't be too worried about the fact that they've scraped through these last couple of games. I think that happens. They weren't great at Everton last night, but were they ever going to be amazing there? I mean, I thought they could have gone 2-0 up as well and made it a lot more comfortable for themselves. I think Arsenal are in a good position. What's going to be really interesting is how they handle it once they get to March, April, May. That's when it's going to be really interesting. But I think coming out of the new year, I feel like going into February, March, Arsenal will extend their lead, is my honest view. I think they'll get to 5-6 points.
Okay, way Manchester United, I'm a legend in fan Gary Neville, and our tenant Casa Arsenal team no, where you do a pass on the Premier League edition Monaso. Now, you can Arsenal once some say play about who can Arsenal all from Pa, I am Rancher said Declan Rice, number one dear, Yamian Ukrainian, Nano El Hill Dixie Stadium, Bob Penny, and Rancher said Declan Rice, actually, Arsenal, who must spend the best over £100 million, a co-found Eddie Free West Ham United, Abaye. Now, when you say you came in the manager first. Mikel Arteta Abrante said Declan Rice abaso now according to Arsenal manager no was say Abrante said Declan Rice were unbelievable now adeba kwana amana nya Declan Rice won kran say enye sesika kanobo go timbo 8 and what you order about 10 ababo ni all round game abo adema Arsenal no and amana nya gine mu yepa and what ni leadership quality e Arsenal team no mo e kon fast e winning balls adema Arsenal e kon fast e ma Arsenal team a transit no and amana nya yepa no yidi yepa said Declan Rice a massive player at my Arsenal and no I have run here and I said opinion first Mikel Arteta and this handsome to Janano Pino you don't want some MT for your L show
well okay so now you're training and fair yet to me Edding community away from Arsenal me pato me call La Liga na makwa din koma kakra na unim sa La Liga table Kato se Barcelona ana tese omuli di better Barca record bia PSG nya kwenya se anka eso mu break sound record no PSG bobo connect man break record Barcelona wo yese for clubs in na calendar year you season bia no yese sa calendar year no Barcelona enya kwenya tese wo mu se 180 goals eno ye 2015 and omo yes record no na since 2015 omo yes record in a full calendar year no team bia ni wo yes record ni bia na no da PSG bobo kono na nkesa nkomutimi emeki esanse PSG already no more goals kakra na PSG say no answer fairly gun wo mo kona humidie mo ade se general answer no maba yakoe PSG goals ni nyina 178 goals entia ka 2 goals pe na nka record Barcelona ye 2015 no anka omonso etimi ikoe in a one calendar year goals club enso ese eno ye reporter me pato PSG ananfe Barcelona kate na no peno make a check kakra enso ediadabo na Ellen Haaland me pato wono so no da o make record esansa sisi goals ni se no wabo goals ye pa record na da ho ye se Cristiano Ronaldo ni goals na wase o Premier League no aye 103 goals me pato sisi no Ellen Haaland ababa iko asande ba ko aka ho ente 104 goals ana Ellen Haaland ekra in a few matches than Ronaldo edia sa record na Ellen Haaland enso kra ne nyina ekoye edi emano na Ellen Haaland iko Ronaldo epa no hono yase DJ Doba enso record wo Premier League no 104 goals na wa he wo Premier League for chance no yase Brantano san iko adia se watai and 104 goals ano no so etimi ayusu anema aye kama ade ema Ellen Haaland nti sisi de two legends wo Premier League no wa breaking records no ba konso de adia se watai otimi se anema nyina ekoye dama na Andres Christensen for Barcelona yasa Brantano plana ACL ana Brantano yase na benkum no ana wanya ACO reporter mensa eka yase ebe ha dwene ye pa na wo hede wa asi kwa de ade na kwa no ama Barcelona so ya yase eno na central for ekobi sanse flake se ene open de aye de se ade se January mo he na moto player ano so oni deko be kasa na oni deko kasa we na mo he na so moto player because of Andres Christensen na we plana o me no me edi sankoma na emom mpempe dia de obetima ka yesa Barcelona players ni nyina entire team and so edomo support edema Andre Christensen esa se mpempe ya kase na kwa Barcelona uka players no mu in good shape na Branten so eka ho and support bi eso mo de ma Branten no na osamba bag bebo Barcelona bobo kodo o ma yo ma dwen so mo de bo na fe etimi abo Branten de dim adi Andre Christensen no Barcelona head coach Hans Flick and komaka krope na adi tuja me kom Madrid ekodi komaka kro Madrid the game mo boy no yase first minute na Vinicius Junior nya ball pepe ana Madrid the fans na esa se kwabra mu hura Branten no ene obi afa hwesa woje ba no mo hwesa no sa na mo nya opportunity e wo YouTube ne de kwabra fe na Branten na frustrated ana oje na obi sa ono ankasa the fans say na why edi empa na Vinicius Junior maye entie nei amachese me fa ba na mu nyina mu huru me fa ba na mu nyina mo hwesa me edi empa na maye enti yesa ma Branten di twaye pa enti yebo game ni wi abebepe anse aye de enkonkonsa de no ma why e basi ana player na yese hwe see ye call ni social media handles no akọ se wasesa bibi o ha na ye call ni social media handle akọ aye ni IG ye call IG ho ma wasesa mad de jesi na nanka he no na wode da ho wapega mad da tade no ano ode de o se price o jesi bom ano ode ato adan a chezo mpense munu samu hia na ne mind de wo mu hia ne ye penti ane de Vinicius Junior aye atese na no pe ye ka ho enkoma kakra ede ama na udim se season record no anya Hurricane na anya Erling Haaland enyo bia Mbappe na Mbappe nso abreak record ewo aye Real Madrid me pato wono so record ono so aye Real Madrid aye se season 59 goals ana tese Branten no enso etimenya in a calendar year ye ka Branten na teso mu kra goals in a calendar year na Cristiano Ronaldo ana na was her record no season killing Mbappe enso ababe ko ama tese in a calendar year na 59 goals no wono so any Ronaldo enso etime remti no eba ne players in Pepe wo ma se goals do edia Madrid in a faster rate in 50th goals in fewer matches Ronaldo abraso de uhema won na dinkan ansa na Mbappe etime aba beto so mie no atase ne record da beta wo Cristiano Ronaldo wa record pebre ama for few say Mbappe say odi Ronaldo ade a homo chance kwan de ni papa esa say record ni bebi ho na uhema mie no pen wetime breaking for now once Ronaldo abo matches twice so in a consecutive 12 matches ni nyina no he go killing Mbappe abeki sa record ndada ana in a calendar year 59 goals na Ronaldo he no and also this year ono so anya sa goals no emo Madrid the France so obo ka cha ne say Ronaldo all time top scorer our Madrid year 450 goals on kai afenso owia UEFA Champions League goals no and year 105 and so 102 ho 50 de ne de o maka ten sa record ne de went me meeting emo first 100 goals in a few matches and a first 200 goals in a few matches no on kai eno de nanim dada afi omo captain say most goal scored in the El Clasico Ronaldo ne kwano 18 goals ne kwano and a most hat-trick in the La Liga and also Branten 34 December by na adwen say internal pebia so de o na adwen say sa record we and this we team meeting bi enti we wi ene ekobisa Mbappe say na time uhu obo ne say no so Saturday na birthday na me die so pa ne say me birthday bedu na me bo Madrid na masan se go e dia ka ho kwabna wose na no Saturday ne die so na bam so I am Madrid player wose anya go e won ne birthday mu na ni adie pa emom go na wanya ndie o dedicated dia ma Cristiano Ronaldo and e bi san say na dey no so Ronaldo e obi a waboa ni ye pa in fact say e ka updatation so adapt to Madrid Ronaldo ni what dey better Ronaldo na aboa no amwatimi adapt to Madrid system no and ni go no or the receive Cristiano Ronaldo Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year and we the Mbappe and the tuja e odumade so na no pe no e dey on koma kakra and the o se na ni adie pass wetimi atai na idol record de kwa no sa 59 goals no na ni adie pass woni Ronaldo etime iko amacha se ne manyina ya kama e dey man na ye adumade so de dey da na Rejames si yankama obi anta se 2 goals down Chelsea betete e ba benya 2-2 do se Chelsea antimi anwene de emom sem jesu de yankonsa mo wo ba na unsa guti ene clubs ni nyina ana ekwane ye so mu ntina mi na mu kura wa hebi kura ye he odada ne ya bo 2 goals down na ba betete enya sam ketwa kranti no Chelsea team no obo maba so ye pa obo players na ba so emom de okam obi ata se a difficult game ana Chelsea mu enya nyae obo bompa ya se ne ma betumi ato so sa enso e dia ma James nkoma kakra wade tu dwane yentie bia.
Season's long, we have to work, week on week, game on game, and try and keep improving. Last season we came here and we lost. This is coming here from 2-0 down to get a draw. It's a super difficult game, and we're happy to take a point considering the first half.
Okay, I know I Chelsea captain offense Rhys James and our tenant say when we are Juma St. James Park yes Zenga from 2 goals down Komaso Papa Nemo Chelsea team eba Monday ever take an Emani 2-2 St. James Park and none of penny anyone sempina Emma Tiafoina El Shono. Now away from that no Uko Saudi Arabia Yami Abduma and a Super Cup final Ebaso now way Italian Super Cup and Ebaso now I Ken Saud University Stadium and a Sagan Ebaso 7:00 p.m. Napoli team any Bologna and Ebo. Eti yehwe and I say yehwe 2025 obetimi age Italian Super Cup e dey sini naso na no pay no. Yede won sampi na ematifo nyina e show no so. Na yede ka be Vincenzo Italiano. Ne won sam bebre e dey ma wono and head coach e dey ma Bologna team no. Na manager no woni madwuma pa onim say no manager ne press conference e ba so no. Wakasa e fa Antonio Conte na Vincenzo Italiano Bologna omuti no coach wase ye fanti obi anim say we shall include Antonio Conte aje especially about Juventus wajin league at 6 na eno ama obi ahu say manager no woni adwuma pa na do betima ka ade fa Antonio Conte won say we inspiration ene mano na wo sia de ade free Antonio Conte o eti wajidi ye pase wonya akonya na wone aranti anaso pani afa say Antonio Conte ebebo final amene ni aje eno aye Vincenzo Italiano ena de sansam atuja eno wachi Antonio Conte wono so ena manager Edma the Patanopis of Napoli. Now Napoli team Bologna final and the cancer Italian Super Cup final and Basso. Now Antonio Conte say no wakuta win mentality. Now wakati ni players ni say the tense final yeje yemo. Na uye career na utifia nkofo kan hwasema wo meka chose Napoli eco final mo je wo meka se Napoli eco final mo to so tu enti wona ni press edi kuma ka chom se e wose final bi obobia mo je eno Antonio Conte ena de sansem na tuja na meka se uko Paris Saint-Germain PSG fo na abreki Germain se ka se nyame aduma 4th January ena Paris Saint-Germain elbo mo game na omo game omo ne Paris FC enebo nemom de tense PSG team aba resume training 30th December womia and a team from Paris Saint-Germain resume training Paris Saint-Germain campus I now pay they want them Emma Tiafoina El Shono so now by Munchin Rakoramaye Germany 2025 for the Yezo winning say Oko Bundesliga 2025 the whole year by Munchin away game be a moboye Bundesliga Omalusu na we to so in Premier San buying ISR record no now the first time I buying ISR record 1986 and a second time 2013 it were third time yabo the whole year buying team aqua way Bundesliga ma wom enlusu game a chess manager your first Vincent company where juma pa na wonim say omu game omu bo editor head him away womu we enom kubusa manager say ere team medium say say uhia solution bia na mutimi baby ya adwuma akire adwuma mfifi adwuma sanso animu eno so aye adwuma nemum according to Bayern omo manager for service and company was say enye sanity still was say Bayern team omo improve pa na adeba kwa was omo improve set pieces and what counter attack and also omo total focus ekoso na hojidie pass and was say Bayern aye ho adwuma eno manager anima Bayern Munich for service and company and the sanso atuja na ye ka managers once say manager ba say Asunja Kraba Madrid omo manager for say Gabi Alonso esan say win no asase eba na Gabi Alonso say omo win no munyane team from say Sevilla no na ehun be hia pa say e was team from say Madrid wo mo win game ade ba kwana so mo ye ene say omo win na omo win na ogidie pa say Madrid eco breaking no wo me fa akonya so analyzing wo ma eno ma ankoyi we Madrid omo so na omo solution afei wo ma say ape antidote say da bia no ma be fa ade ma team from say Real Madrid na no pay no jere won sam emetifo nyina el show no so na okomansa Spainer de tense omakoye pool na pool na massa for ekoye no mo say nipa 120,000 ena eto abano na nipa 120,000 omotoba efa Real Madrid no na yɛsi emu 61% GDA pan sɛ problems a sese ɛwɔ Real Madrid no ɛfa dodoɔ na every players no ɛno akyi 76% wɔn GDA pan sɛ wɔn supporto manager fɛn sɛ Gabi Alonso manager deɛ adwuma no yɛ no saa so na emu 86% wɔn GDA pan sɛ players bi ti sɛ Vinicius Junior no ɛwɔ sɛ wɔn tɔn no ɛno ɛyɛ kakra fo ɛbɛn na no pɛyi no hyɛde wɔn nsɛm ɛmɛ tiefo nyina ɛwɔ show no so.
ɛti kwabena ɔnsa na meka de wei na obiebie ne nsɛm no ɛza hɔ na asɛm ne fi yɛsɛ supporters ne fi sɛ ɔmo yɛ saa vote na ansa na game ne ba so ana dodoɔ na ehu yɛ na ɔmo so sɛ chama wo na ayɛ problem ɛnɛ ne ɛkɔɛ kɔmi yɛ ho ntɔ ne ehu sɛ team na emu ada nti the reason why nti ana ɔmo huru ana sɛ ɔmo hɔ sɛ Vinicius Junior no saa pɛpɛ na community sɛ yɛ legend so na no do command to question you Frank Lampard on hey coach di ma convert na yɛsɛ ɔhɛbo ni din no ɔyɛ thumbs up ɛde kyerɛ Southampton fans no ɔmo sɛ hene ne ha akɔɛdeɛ na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ wudi atɛm ana yɛwie Ghana fɛ ntukwasi adan ɔmo so guest no ɔyɛ no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkyerɛ sɛ odidi ɔmo ate wɔhuru ɔmo akoma nti yɛpɔn game no Coventry players no ɛne Southampton players ni nyinaa di asie ne atɛ sɛ dodoɔ na ɛnso ɛkɔ na yɛ Frank Lampard ɛso ne ade but ɔmo wie no chama akyɛ sɛ we ɛnyɛ yi bia ɛnyɛ bɔne bia dede na ɔmo yɛ di ti ɔmo na ɔmo man yɛ nyɛ yi bia na ɔmo bɛyɛ no ntokwa nti no de akɔ ya no nti me yɛm fancy hɔ ɛnɛ yɛ sɛ 22nd right okay nti ɛnɛ ɛyɛ 22nd yɛmfa abasobɔde ne nyinaa mfa ma twedi ampɔn baabi a
ɔno Frank Lampard no
bo wɔsɛ na
Lampard yɛ dɛn
yɛntwe yɛ yimmra na yɛntwe
mbɛtumi de aba
kwa bana pa
na yɛwie a yɛn compare baabi obi ɛbɔ ne game
no nka ho no kwa bana no nka ho
na sa untimi
fata championship no so ne na tipen so na ɛko wo so ne wa tipen so na ɛgro
asɛm na mo gan
kwa bana asɛm bɛ ne ɛkan
no ɛnyɛ tipen so asɛm na ɛkan no we are comparing the two coaches the coaches in question no yɛn hwɛ obi a baabi ɔbɔ ne deɛ ne ɛfa Frank Lampard okay odi ameba Frank Lampard no somebody Chelsea man no what the result
enu nya ndi oni ho sisi e
edumle bi meba edumle mu wo ko good training ground so oba ha wo ne me no
enya no kure sisi e asem ne eki
yeni na ya hu bi ya hu Frank Lampard record ye hu ni result of the match Chelsea yenim
Kabne enye Frank Lampard adwuma o ye de match Chelsea na andi kan wa so kwa say emprempre ya kasai Frank Lampard ya ade e de chena amowim wan kasai in the Premier League inti protest now about no way is a comparison now
munyi yini mayo
anasi ye aba wona wo yes I say mo pese
mun pulling numbers
producer be ya
meba
onu kwa ni nipa fifi pra cars betimi kotiba
me de abufuo na ba program
say
me buafu pa
e waden
e wo me team Manchester United ho
okay
am de abufuo na
sa mo nya ade no
enye sha ya share na eme ya because me Saturday me catch them say me say dia e be Lucy but why na ya fa so Lucy and why na the management of the team and manage club na ma mbuofu anopai
mti
me down power papa
mo manage team ni yewa hu
na question to dia wa Manchester United asabi ye nyina na ye hwe bi is it the Manchester United we are watching
say nya coach na mo nso mo wentim den na mo pe
the problem of Manchester United no they be am catch their fans no say mama yenjai amorim no nkwana problem no it goes beyond amorim no the problem of Manchester United a recruitment team recruitment team no for players no team no they are the problem man fana aina ma
say debate ye mu be wu
say
what's that
masa
comment the agrofo na so
Frank Lampard or Coventry City the winning percentage 46.34
Coventry do 15
Manchester United magic Premier League say
what they call
20 Magic Champions League 3
nti
do the Yankee move Amorim winning percentage of Manchester United 32.6
kwabena na dey
what the ball fem papa
46 and 32 Kwabena dey.
So say be fa yen hwe team no.
Kwabena nya be fa asem ni etie. Wo me say, wo wani wati person na abo. Na Chris be kra me so.
And I'm saying Chris be kra me so. But me ma some American say. I'm a room ni team ben Manchester ben obey.
And the Afa Manchester asema can azema na
Manchester United.
Any Manchester United.
Benjamin Sesko.
Who Bruno Fernandes.
Sesko.
What
say?
Dabi no be ato de ma asema na akekwa.
The commentary
yeah, players are now all Benjamin Sesko.
Papa na say players nko.
Benjamin Sesko no play. Asema na okay.
Yan kwatwe voice ni mlana. Because moto say
no be katia so Benjamin Sesko sa wa hu ni ye. Na sa no ya de.
Voice ba ku bo so peja say
panya. And o ba katia so
peja bona.
We di Manchester pay for hu ya.
Ba no me ti game no am here. Me geg and yes na na say no. Because me nam say dey Aston Villa be saying because of form no mafa any some key players are need lose omo in the game because game in your boy down mad in Buemo Mazraoui and Casemiro no so because of cards our accumulating the won't be mobi in the game first half Bruno so as akupra I mean obi any say this is na from bare 3 seasons day by our best player I've been Bruno and you only film now knows say dey
we play a prayer how team.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
He's our best player. And one name is Bruno here.
Dabi your best player so be person who here say play a prayer ahead team.
Oh yes. Ahead team ne pa.
And they actually
to spend over 1 billion.
Kwabena nya hwe.
What to players we na. Kwabena man ko pra. Wo dey no be ya Africa be komo. Dey azam.
Anane so Bruno kwa na pra.
Na say ya spend it some.
Nane fa.
Who spend over 1 billion. The players are chance we.
Entity.
Na so ko pa man ko pra. Me ya so wo dey no be ya analysis. What are you saying?
You obi a wo ho akwanya. Who was coming with Ska? Ya ko dwam.
Yes, say Niska. Say Niska.
Samu Niska.
Oh, na say because of Champions League ni ade ayi money. They are losing a lot. Na say mu win.
Into the team.
Ye team na dey win ma dey go there mo.
Edu ma say ma mo kan nje mutimu.
Ye performance no ko
say edu ma dey say ma mo kan nje mutimu ye.
Pabne. Team Oniska. Say na team na nye kese bi mu.
Na the team Oniska je onye kese.
Na Kwabna na Ska uni bi. Enti dia na ade beton.
Say
ya no nem koda na ba.
Sika ni odi edi. Ade ebi ade we o sisi ayidi anyi. And sometimes on me no honest me no.
Pesa we ya.
Me no honest ni yake. Hwe. Ade kwanti anope me question recruitment team o modwuma o ye. E dia Manchester United. Untimi nya ade ba ko. Sa unya no wrong sa be 4-5 times.
Say winning the
unacceptable.
Winning the is only di mo you know.
Because every season be a baby you know. Manchester one of our major problem e do bobon dia to atrem. Akoto Verhos. Amfa. So okay bia enyema bi deceive en kakra.
Nam koto.
Enti yen hwe baby fufuro.
Na
ya ko for Holland. NXG.
Holland na kasa de oba na ne yesi bibi henati.
We ko do bani mu.
So what I say?
Man,
na ya ko for Holland. NXG do maba. Almost buy at the same thing. Then the following season. Now one paya o ko fa sa players we nu nyina buy o mo buy no. Goals no man timi answer me. Oh, there's this boy called Benjamin Sesko. I was goes into your phone. Or by us, a defender.
Sir.
Benjamin Sesko is striker.
Benjamin Sesko is defender.
When you strike with defender.
More recruitment one lady.
Sentina makes it. Sometimes me no honestly yarding.
There's a record as well.
Because Untisika call it come so. Manchester United.
Mese Pamu United mo kan wona mutimi ni. Oh, shadow kan. Because Sesko ban yet things ma o kan.
Na kan be play over some nkade.
Enti mese one lady Jesse Mikos. Tie baby am free band. Mikos no lady wo.
Ese pamo mu na fi.
Dia me bisa so yima no.
Ono a.
Mikos no lady. Na ofri fan e buy, ofri fan e buy.
United say player be pa na mpa wasase so.
Yen case yen koto big name players. But yen two players on board my man.
What the baby? Why?
And your players on my back. Mama, another example. Yeah, Benjamin Sesko. Yeah, didn't count a kitty. Yet now, my Liverpool
68 in this guy could 68.
Because that time you see in this guy about 68. Yakofa Benjamin Sesko 70 plus. I don't know more.
because young players.
Come on, Jitu. The entire Manchester United team in Jitu. So you play now, but it affect you. Bambe kama ko nan kaso ogina wo no. Se wo pass ball man onso onimbo on the ball.
Say link up.
Link up. For that play nye unim go she unim che unim he oni bibi oni flare oni entu we pa. Sabe no sense ko why pa e dey data ne head go fa. Where play?
Obi si mi say muki player why Manchester United.
E una say Bruno Fernandes.
Ai.
E say ko bi men wo team for Frank am discover what na ba.
And we dey bounce here.
You have to talk players he Kena pa
kwabre
na yoru
da se
Brady Yankopo na Rogers
da se
Efabo obi anko sini down abante space ni dan nim say ya os mama me space dey am mobo yin say no obo first one na say
ye German yanko
second one the same thing no mama space no obo na dia
ye German yanko
da se
utimi ya kasa
da se
me go for no paper me nya sana ya say na me problem say dey na me say dey available but a choir you for so manage team. And some players be a from Abugu Manchester United team. They don't deserve some better jersey. So I don't give you some one. Me who's what cross about 8 years about to or cross be either for goal post let's see. And also the Boboniba. Why don't go to place where am I? Mama.
Somewhere rebuilding.
Say they are rebuilding. Now Morim no so ono so ba ye improvement back kra amorim improvement back and one team basa inconsistency roller coaster result no dey minds ye hye ne ye be draw sa ne ya share sa nya ba wini back bi e dey team ni and ayala mo ntwana me nya analysis ni bi na mbofu me dwabuta Open good morning.